So, have you noticed something kind of different about the way we shop lately? It's this quiet revolution that's happening, right there at the checkout button. I mean, think about buying a new pair of sneakers. It used to be just about the product, right? But now, the financing, the payment, that's becoming part of the product itself. Okay, let's dive into what's going on here. Embedded finance.
Come on, we've all been there, right? You find the perfect thing. You're so ready to buy it, but then you just hit a wall. It's this long, complicated credit application that seriously feels like you're applying for a mortgage or something. It's so frustrating. And more often than not, that shopping cart just gets abandoned.
And this just illustrates the difference perfectly. So, on the left, you've got the old journey. You find your product, then you have to leave the website, go to some separate bank portal, fill out endless forms, wait, and maybe you just give up. But now, look at the right. The new way is so simple. You find the product, you tap Pay in Installments right there on the page, and bam, instant approval. The purchase is done without ever leaving the app. That is the magic we are talking about. So first, to really get this, let's just quickly look back at the old model, where finance was a destination you had to go to.
Okay, so what is embedded finance exactly? Well, the formal definition is the seamless incorporation of financial products or services into non-financial products or services. But what does that really mean? In plain English, it's basically putting the bank inside the shopping cart, or inside your travel app, or inside the car dealership software.
Now, what I love about this slide is how it just breaks down the core concept so cleanly. You take a product, you add finance to it, and boom, you get a new, totally integrated experience. The secret sauce here? APIs. That stands for Application Programming Interfaces. You can just think of them as these secure messengers that let different software talk to each other. They're what lets a retailer's app ask a bank system, hey, can this person get a loan? And get an answer back instantly and, most importantly, securely.
All right, let's dig into the invisible revolution and how finance is now literally meeting you exactly where you are.
And this isn't just about those buy now, pay later services we see everywhere. No, this revolution covers a whole spectrum of things. You see it with embedded payments in your Uber app. You never even pull out a card. It's embedded insurance, like when you add travel protection right when you're booking a flight. It's even embedded investments, letting you buy stocks or crypto right inside an app you already use.
So, how does all this work behind the scenes? What's going on under the hood? Let's break down the ecosystem.
This iceberg metaphor is honestly the perfect way to understand the key players. So what you, the user, actually see is just the tip of the iceberg, that little pay later button. That's embedded finance. But beneath the surface, that's where the massive infrastructure lives that makes it all possible. That's banking as a service, or BaaS. It's basically the licensed banking engine that non-financial companies can rent so they can offer these services without having to become a bank themselves.
Now, the reason this whole thing is absolutely exploding is really simple. It's a win for everyone. It creates this incredibly powerful value flywheel.
Just look at this diagram. It all kicks off with the user. That's us, getting ultimate convenience. That convenience then leads to more sales and more loyalty for the merchant. And that growth for the merchant opens up brand new, super low-cost ways for banks and financial institutions to find customers. It's a self-reinforcing loop, a totally symbiotic ecosystem.
For us, as users, the benefits are pretty obvious, right? We get a seamless experience without having to juggle a bunch of different apps. We often get better pricing because there's more competition, we get more choice in how we pay for things, and we can manage it all in one spot, all backed by the security of major financial players.
And for merchants? Oh, this is a total game changer. They get to reduce all that friction at checkout, which means higher conversion rates. More people actually finish their purchase. They unlock new ways to make money from the financial services themselves, and they get this rich data to personalize offers. All of that drives customer loyalty and, of course, growth.
So what about the traditional banks? You might think they're getting left out, but they get a huge benefit too. By partnering up with merchants, they can tap into these massive new customer bases right where people are already shopping. This gives them new revenue streams, incredible data insights, and it even helps drive financial inclusion by reaching people through platforms they already trust and use every single day.
Okay, so we've covered a ton of ground. After all that, what are the most important things to remember? Let's lock in the key takeaways.
So if you remember just 3 things from all this, make it these. First, this is a fundamental shift. Finance is no longer a destination you have to go to. It's becoming a distributed utility, kind of like electricity, just available whenever and wherever you need it. Second, it's a symbiotic ecosystem. It's a true win-win-win for users, merchants, and banks. And third, all of this is powered by technology, Specifically, those APIs that build a secure bridge between the world of commerce and the world of finance.
And that really leaves us with this one final thought. The future of finance is invisible. It's not going to be something we consciously think about or have to deal with. It will simply be there, contextual, convenient, and seamlessly embedded into the experiences we use every single day.